it's major early today. John Deere Mick is picking us up. Mr. B's getting over here. We're going to be heading up to Ripon. It's going to be a big tractor run, but we're also going to see some farms as well. So it should be action-packed and a little bit different today. I'm looking forward to it. Mr. B's got here. Morning. Morning. He's got his steering wheel lock on because he knows it's a dodgy neighbourhood.
Perhaps we should explain why I've had to drive to yours. Because someone wouldn't get up too early, would they?
No. Sorry. In this bike way, because that's Mr. B's lorry. 7:17. He's 2 minutes late and he's never late.
Jesus.
Hey, we're gonna give him some rib.
Only one thing we can blame it on.
Must have been our Tracy. He's got here. Only how many minutes late? 4 minutes.
Morning.
Morning, Mick.
So you're up and about, are you?
Nice to see you got here.
Yes. 2 minutes late, but you never lie in knowing you.
Alright, Trace.
Morning, Joe.
Are we nearly there yet, Dad? And Mum? I'm saying that because somebody put in comments, is John Deere Mick your dad? Oh, that was it, yeah, somebody asked Ben, yeah.
John Deere Mick's your dad. That makes me his mum not happy.
It's because we're having a mini domestic in front because Tracy told Mick that we were going to be setting off from his house at 7:15. Well, Mick told me that you were picking me up at 7:15. Hence, we are, what, an hour early? Something like that? An hour early right now. So we're going to go and do some sightseeing tours around Ripon. Which we didn't know we were going to be doing this, but yeah, killing time. I could have had some more kip, guys.
Don't enjoy it. You'll enjoy it.
Like bottom layer my meat on, and my pasta.
And then your white sauce, then warm it, yeah. But normally it's just if your sauce is a bit dry, the pasta sheets don't cook. It's soft as it should go.
So
I didn't have enough.
So after you've had white sauce, it's like it softens it.
But you have your mixing your sauce underneath it, put your pasta sheets on, then your white sauce comes on. He's doing his
I'll be getting done with the
And that's why I said shut up. The minute he said white sauce, I said shut up.
You know what someone would say to that? Cool.
Yes, I know exactly what somebody said to that. That's why he turned his head.
We better watch out because Greg Wallace can't talk about lasagnas anymore, so
No.
maybe Joeseelsjobs can't either.
No.
No, but Mary Berry can talk about stuff, can't she?
Yeah. And sausages.
What? Don't get us started, Trace. There's plenty of water about near Ripon. Mick, we thought we were going to go and see Ripon Cathedral. He's fetched us past the blooming tractor dealership. What is this Ripon's? Ripon Farm Service. God almighty.
We were only here 2 weeks ago.
Can't believe he's fetched us here. But this would be ideal for the road run. It's already done up. They've used gaffer tape to stick lights on. Might be the only thing that we've got, to be fair, to do it. That's all lit up. What a big Kramer in here. It's a big one and all, that, isn't it? Next to some smaller ones. It's Ripon Farm Services, and
Christy?
Christy says we've got to say hello to Robert on the tractor room.
Yes, please.
Are you off running or something?
Yeah, park run's cancelled, so I'm just going to meet mate and we're off running with the dogs.
I'm not joining in on that. Have fun. See you, mate. Christmas trees in. All your bits. These guys are looking at the clothing department, I think. You gonna get something while you're here, Trace?
Oh,
What? Tractor tape jumper?
I don't know what
Yeah.
I mean.
Some more socks.
Mick's been pointing to a particular brand.
What somebody likes to use.
Cramp. Got hot paints here, aren't there?
Yeah.
There's a tractor on that one. I am Doddy. I give that first prize.
Did you?
Mm.
You're nice, aren't you?
Oh, there we are.
Mr. May. Calendar girls eat your heart out.
I had my clothes on, didn't
I hope to God you did.
I? We've rocked up and these guys are checking out the tractors. We've got Santa here. It sounds like it's just started raining as well. Look at this, 14.55. That'll be on the run today. That's nice, isn't it? Really nice. So we found Andrew who set all this up for us.
Well, a little bit,
Simon and Jeremy, whose farm it is. Yeah. And with their nice Fendt 820 behind with a Lemkin drill. We like that. So yeah, we better have a little bit of a look at. Have you got some? What cattle is it we've got here?
We've got some Charolais.
Charolais. Yeah. Some pretty stuff. Yeah. We'll have a look. What's it?
No GPS.
No GPS at all.
Just straight line.
Tell him now you drill all your beet.
Have a look, I'll show you in there a little 3000 with a 6-row beet drill.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, show you that.
Have a look at that. Yeah.
He's an expert. You get your hood up, don't you?
Yeah, you need your hood up for that.
All dust and see it going up here, all in front of you. We've been draining, haven't we, for the last 3 or 4 weeks?
Yeah. We put some drains in and he drives the digger and I use shovel.
You've been causing a bit of havoc, haven't you?
We have been causing some havoc.
People have been rubbernecking on the road, watching what you've been
on the
doing.
A61, planting edges before Christmas.
Yeah, get some edges in and a few trees and...
You are going to be busy then.
Yeah, so always something to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Brilliant. So we've got some Charolais here. Liking the molasses. Mr. B reconnecting. Arable farmer to beef.
There you go, aren't they?
Yeah.
And this is what your relation had, isn't it?
No, he had blondes and blues. Blondes and blues. Some nice silage in front of him. We've got the bulls here. 30-40, eh? Oh, straw blower time. Straw blower time. No what?
Sister rams on this one.
Ah. Why did they have a sister rams on them, some of them?
Yeah, they'd heavy duty back end on them. This has got a light duty back end. I think. Mick will know more.
A Tarrant straw blower. Mr. B was saying he liked this one because what was the reason?
Because they used to have half a gear on the gear stick, not a little gear stick.
Ah, so it was all on one?
Cross. And then they went to a little gear stick because the linkage was in the top of the gearbox failed a little bit. So they went to a little flip one instead of a shrink gear stick. Apparently.
It's very tidy though, isn't it? It's extremely tidy. Windows are all clean to say it's on a straw blower as well. It's been to Sydney. But now look at that. I quite like that because it's on bigger tyres. Like ours always sinks in the muck. And it doesn't look like that's going to sink anytime. Yeah. So Jeremy, keep everything very tidy here.
Well, we try, you know, yeah.
So you've got a straw blower. I can't see any straw in your eaves or anything.
Well, we picked a good year because we had a good wash down last spring.
Ah, right.
Everything washed down and
Tidied up.
yeah, tidied up. So yeah,
Your 30-50's tidy.
30-40. Yeah.
Oh, 40, sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
She's a bit of a weapon, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the Tarrant, I like it.
Yeah. It's nice, very handy outfit on there, even though it's quite a big tractor in its day.
Yeah.
It's quite handy on there.
Do you just use it on the straw blower then, or are you using it for anything else?
That's all it does, yeah.
Yeah, it just sits on that.
Yeah.
So you don't have so many new tractors then?
No, just well, you'll see as you go around. We don't like AdBlue and we don't like too many electrics.
Are you pretty handy with fixing them then yourselves?
No, but I know a few people that are.
Good.
So, yeah, we seem to manage.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know they all do look immaculate. Like the fent that was on the drill in there, that looks immaculate.
Yeah, so they're all ready for a wash at the moment. We haven't got around to it, but.
Oh right. Oh, I'm thinking they look immaculate when they're not washed.
Right.
Like, cleaner than ours at home anyway. Maybe not Mr. B's here, but he keeps his pristine. But no, they're looking well.
Yeah. No,
See
we're a
them
bit
further.
further.
Yeah, brilliant. Look at that, Fent 926. Oh. Look at it, it's pristine. Yeah, it's nice that. So I'm just having a look in the cab. It's pristine as this 820. Look at that. It's got a carpet on the floor. There's a little bit of muck, which I like to see. It means it's been worked. It's been used still, but it's kept really, really tidy as a working tractor. There's not a mudguard out of place. Yeah, it's nice. I just said I was in the 820, didn't I? But I was actually in the 926. There is an 820 though, just behind us here, which is equally as immaculate. Look at that, it's even got a light bar on it. And air horns at the front. That's cool, that. It's really cool. I like it. Look at this, we've got an Albion Reaper. So you'd sit on there, and I'm guessing a tractor would pull it, would it? Or would it be horses? I'm not quite sure. Somebody will know and tell us in the comments. Look at that. It looks like it'd just go to work. Spare knife on the side. Yeah, it's nice that.
It's got original exhaust. That's not original exhaust. You don't want that exhaust.
I don't. In other words, you want it, do you?
That's where it's come from. Grubbers at Ripon. That's Ripon Farm Services now. That's what they're.
Oh, that's what Ripon Farm Services started as?
That's where Jeff Brown started working as a salesman there.
Ah.
That was down. We don't know Ripon, do you?
No.
So Quick Feed, they've built our flats and houses. That were Ripon Farms, the original depot. And where they are now, that were a Goss depot, Massey Fergie Goss. Goss packed up and Ripon bought it.
And took over. Everywhere. Will that be original glass then in front?
If you go to Russell's and they say they have to be popular around walls. I think she's a nice little thing, man. That's why I won't say I was.
So this goes on the back of a Ford Some Major, this
Yeah.
back actor.
Yeah. An early JCB, I think.
Yeah. Jeez. And what's this thing here then with the just behind it?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I know. Maybe we can put that in as a quiz question. Does anybody know what that is? Let us know in the comments. So I looked at it and I'm like, what is that?
It's grain handling. It's
Can we-
a dresser for dressing cars.
Could be, couldn't it?
It'll be great.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We've got another Fent. She can pull, it says on the side, she can pull a 716.
This is the new fancy flower.
Jeremy was just saying he's had this one from X Demo, he's had it, it's his baby, he says. Oh, it's got a nice plough up back. That looks tidy, doesn't it? Auto reset are they on them?
Yeah, so he's got to have on his land.
Got some stones.
I do find hydraulic works better than straight.
Yeah. So they 160 horsepower, and it's quite a small frame, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice, is that? Ah, we've got an MX bale grab, like ours. It looks like it's in a bit newer than ours. It does, or maybe it's just been kept better by Jeremy. That might be the situation here. He looks after his stuff. Huge load of beet there to feed the cattle, and I think he sells a bit as well. Not just fence though. We've got a 8730 Ford here. It's got the side panel off at the minute, but it's all there. Look at that. It's got a Grassman sticker in the front as well. Loving it. It's nice, is that? Yeah, what a beast. So this is what Jeremy does. He's beet drilling on. Guys, you've got to look for fine weather. If it rains, he needs to put his hood up. But it keeps a light footprint on the soil. It's set up right with the wheels. Oh, look at that Ford Super Dexter, immaculate condition. If it gets too wet, he's sorted on that front anyway with these two boats at the side. But hey, it's nice, that, isn't it? Selector speed. Put his micronutrients or fertiliser, I would guess, in the top there. Fill each one up with seed. And there's even a Fergie here, look. 590. So we were just looking at that selector. Oh, sorry. I'm butting into your two conversation all the time, aren't I? You still talking about different classic tractors and gearboxes. The Selectomatic, which is, you said it was like a power shifter.
Yeah.
Does it work that job quite well then?
It works really well on the beet drill, yeah.
Yeah.
Just
No, it's tidy.
It's same as everything, isn't it? With power shift, when power shift came along, outside of changing gear, when you're ploughing, you can't change gear, can you?
No.
When you're ploughing, you sit in one gear all day because you can't go in that next half a gear because you can't do it because every time you've lost some momentum,
you've done
the
it.
Power shift, you're just there, aren't you?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, straight away, yeah.
Well, thank you very much for showing us around anyway today, Jeremy. You've got a wedding to go to, haven't you?
A wedding now, yes, so I'll leave you to the road. Again,
yeah. Thank you very much. Immaculate stuff here you've got. And
thank you.
Keep going.
Keep trying.
Brilliant. Nice in here.
It is nice. Oh, it's alright.
It's not poached.
Yep. Nice. So we've just had a very, very nice breakfast at Tate's, and then we're going back now to get the lights on the tractor, which we always think is a 5-minute job, but always takes 5 hours or whatever. And then we're going to go back to Tate's with the tractor, and that's where we're setting off the. You're laughing your head off, aren't you? What?
Okay, and action.
I had to stop them. They were talking, so I had to stop them. Hang on a minute. We need to do some filming. We need some action. We need a segue, you see, from being in the restaurant to getting back, and this is it right now.
Oh, there's a pub. Is there a pub? Oh, no,
we're not going in a pub. We're not going in a pub. Back to tractors.
There we go, Joe.
Is that your passenger? We're going to put him through log splitter.
Christmas train is there, look.
Brilliant. So Mr. B is very excitedly wanting to have a little play on the 4455.
Yeah.
So the 8340 just started up. He's going to shift that out of the way so that Mr. B can start up this.
Oh no, we're waiting for noise. That outed shed, you see.
We want to be able to hear it.
got to do mine as well, Joe, remember?
Here he is.
I need
Here he's got us started. Fired up first time. Very nice. On the 44-55. What a weapon. She's been absolutely desperate to have a go in the yard. Yeah, look at that. She is so nice. Yeah, it's very nice, is that? Very nice. Beautiful. The wind is absolutely mega, but with that background, this tractor is immense. I'd love one of them, especially with the transmission that it's got. So you just step through the gears. It's effortless. It really is a beautiful example and a working example as well. It's fantastic. What a machine. This is inside the cab. This is a transmission, you see. You put it around to there, then you just keep pushing it forwards to keep going up the gears. And it just sounds well. I don't want to rev it too much because I want it to yeah, really stay nice as it is. A wonderful machine. If you haven't noticed, we're having lots and lots of fun here. Lots and lots of fun. I'm just letting Mr. B drive it because I know that this is what he loves to do. So I'm quite happy just to watch, record and listen to that sound of the engine. What an absolute beast. Yeah, she's nice. Come on. She's stopped. You do know we've got to put some lights on a tractor?
No, you are. I nearly cried, you know.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
I thought you might do. Don't try this at home, kids. Mr. B is up. We're getting our bits and bobs. Oh, we're on camera. Tracy needs a ladder. Oh, we've got one started. And Mr. B's got his tinsel on. Are we having that in cab or out of cab?
Well, no, I thought if I fasten it on but loosely,
Yeah.
when we get going at speed, it might just fly outside the cab.
Oh yeah.
Or do you think that's good? Really
I hope your load's secured. So we are getting somewhere near to finish now. I've got my Grinch hat and put that on the back there. Mr. B's just taping it down because it's very, very windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind outside, but it is exceptionally windy. Mixed, still putting lights on. Is Tracy giving you some good directions, Mick?
Yes. Something like that.
Plenty of tinsel, we like it. Plenty of tinsel. Oh, these flashing lights. Not sure how well it'll come up on the camera, but it looks pretty good. So we've got to get all these off later as well. So we've got the giraffe on the front there as well. And I'm having a giraffe, the sign, and then we've got the cones on the top. But let's have a look at some of the other tractors. So this 6830 is looking very good. It's a bit lighter here, so you can't actually see them all lit up quite the same. But it's going. How are we getting on? We're nearly there?
Might be done.
Yeah.
It's looking good, isn't it?
I will be getting some more tinsel on the arches, but it's just off.
See,
It's so windy, isn't it, outside?
it's amazing if you could just pimp it all up.
Some tinsel spinners on hooks.
Yeah. Well, when we do ollies, sometimes we put lights in the wheel. You know, them battery ones. And then just, as long as you tape them in pretty well, it works. But no, it looks really good. And then we've got a Christmas tree on the back of this one. Here we go. Do you do decorations at home as well?
No, not at all.
I hope your wife don't see this then.
No, probably not.
It's looking good. We got plenty of power coming here. Hopefully no fires. We'll cross his fingers. And this is just a small selection of what will be on the run a little bit later, so we'll see a bit more of that maybe in tomorrow's video, because I might have to get this one uploaded pretty soon. See ya! What's up with you now? Is it not going well?
I need a ladder. Can you climb up them big steps?
And do what do you want me to do?
Tie wrap device Hampton on them.
Okay, I'll do this dangerous job for you, Tracy, don't worry.
Thanks, son.
Mr. B has fired up the 6R250, and I think he's going to try and do the light show now. That's his plan. I don't know what's happening because I can't really see. It's that bright. It worked well. Right, I don't know if you can hear the rain, but oh, you are there. That's good. I thought what I'd do is I've got to edit this video and get it out there. We've also got to do the tractor run, which we may do live while we're doing it.
So you're going to edit and I'm going to drive, are we?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nice.
Yeah. We might swap over. It's about 3 hours long, so we might, we'll do some switching and swapping, can't we?
It's a good job we like each other.
So yeah, if you've enjoyed today's video, then press like and subscribe. Let us know which was your favourite tractor today. Which was your favourite?
Yeah.
Well, I know which one your favourite tractor was. The one that you were driving. What was it?
4455.
4455, which is getting wet now. It probably ought to get inside, didn't it? Yeah. So. Right, so that's it. Press like, subscribe, check out the merch. I've got the new merch on today, by the way. We've got the hoodie on and the shirt. We've got a nice checked shirt now. Have you seen that, Mr. B?
I don't notice you.
Oh, and the hats, if I can get them in shop.
Where can you get them?
Joeseelsjobs.com.
All right.
If you,
See,
hey,
he's on it.
He knows his stuff, doesn't he? He knows his stuff. Right, thanks for watching. We'll see you.
Sorry, bye.
See you later. Oh, I'll just. We're going, Trace. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Actually, before I go, I wanted to thank. Where is he? Oh, is Andrew gone?
No, we're down here.
Is it? We wanted to thank Andrew for inviting us. Well, he's gone somewhere. Yeah, massive thanks to Andrew Frost. He's just gone to get another extension lead, I think, for the tractor to get some lights on. We were speaking to him earlier on in the video. He's invited us to come down here after Tracy and John Deere Mick met him in a pub the other week. So massive thanks to him and to Jeremy, whose farm we've been looking around, who's had to nip off to a wedding. So really important that we thank those guys for letting us come round and letting us film what they get up to on their tractor run around Ripon. So check out the live later, and I'll probably put some bits in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.